Hello, this is Angel at House of Imports to show you a beautiful Peterbilt 2018 model 579, the big blower, the NVE 4310 940 CFM. Again, all the bolts, nylon lock, grade A bolts, high quality fabrication, stainless steel bolts, bed lights, the best, new tires, the aluminum wheels, a special paint job, Mr. Lafont. That's the way he wanted it. Heater valves, heavy duty bumper for the customer. Beautiful Peterbilt, 579 model, 2018 for Mr. Lafont. Very luxury. Also has a video camera option. He also wanted the electronic gallon meter electronically. This is the X15 Cummins, 450 horsepower. And again, we check everything, new filters, new belts, new air filter, whatever he needs. High quality paint.